Hi Lily, hi Abby, it's Matt. I'm on the Sacramento River between the I Street Bridge and the Tower Bridge. There's CalPERS, West Sacramento, the Ziggurat, the Tower Bridge, and downtown Sacramento. The current is pretty strong here. As you can see, I'm holding onto a piece of driftwood in the middle of the river with the bridge over there. So with this current, I think we got a good shot of getting pretty far. So I'm going to launch the boat. Hopefully it gets past that little log. And it's clear on its way to the Pacific Ocean. Good luck!